My name is Sharice Jackson, and today I'm going to show you how to add the Speak feature to read Word documents. The version of Word I'm using today is 2016. First, let's open Word. Next, I'm going to open a Word document. Now, let's look at the toolbar. Select this arrow, scroll down to More Commands and select. See where it says Choose Commands From? I want you to change this drop box to All Commands. Now let's scroll down and look for Speak. Once we find Speak, we select it, click Add to add it to the toolbar, and then we're going to click OK. Now we see the Speak icon in our toolbar. Let's see Speak work. For Speak to work, you have to highlight the text you want it to read. Now we have our text highlighted. I'm going to go back to the toolbar and select the Speak icon.
Removing barriers from STEM classrooms. The success of students with disabilities in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics or STEM classes is directly related to the teacher's abilities to understand the student's unique learning abilities.
Now you know how to add the Speak icon to your toolbar so you can use it during class. Thanks for watching.